Hello everyone, I'll introduce the OM3 adapter. This model is OM0CCE and it has several components. There are 3 gaskets and the adapter itself. Among these 3 gaskets, the white one is actually on the sight glass of the compressor. If reinstallation is performed, you can advise customers to replace this with a new gasket. This big black gasket is on the sight glass of the OM3. It is actually located here in this part. There is a gasket of the same size. It is factory installed but can be replaced if necessary. There is also a medium-sized black gasket which is set in this groove of the OM3. This is the connection of the OM3 adapter and it can be installed like this.